Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Amex Platinum Card Disney Plus Review Watch before using. Enroll the card in the Amex offers portal immediately to check eligibility and activation steps. Confirm that the Disney Plus benefit is active on your account before charging a new subscription. Keep receipts and screenshots of enrollment and any statement credits for disputes. Remember that benefit availability can vary by account and may change with Amex communications. In this video, I will review Amex Platinum Card Disney Plus Review Watch before using. Tally your typical yearly spending on streaming, travel, and dining to estimate net value after the annual fee. Apply any sign-up bonus value and recurring statement credits against that fee for a true comparison. Think about how often you actually use lounges, elite perks, and partner offers to avoid overestimating benefit usage. In this video, I will review Amex Platinum Card Disney Plus Review Watch before using. Quick recommendation: pick up the Oala water bottle for easy hydration when you travel to lounges or airports, and it fits most cup holders. It keeps drinks cold and avoids spills during commutes, which pairs nicely with on-the-go streaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will review Amex Platinum Card Disney Plus Review Watch before using. Activate benefits by enrolling in the specific offer and then charging the qualifying Disney Plus payment within the stated timeframe. Save screenshots of enrollment confirmations and check for statement credits after billing posts. If a credit does not appear, reach out to Amex support promptly and reference your enrollment evidence to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.